Hey everyone, welcome to Deep D Analytics. If you really want to learn data analytics, not just watch, but actually understand and apply, and grow your confidence step by step. No confusion, no boring theory, just clear learning that works. So if you're serious about your career, hit subscribe and let's master data together.
Hey, quick question. Have you used index column in Power Query?
Yes, it's used to add row numbers to data, like 1, 2, 3, automatically. It makes the data more organized and easy to understand.
Okay, nice. But where exactly do we use it?
We use it for sorting, ranking, and tracking rows. Also, it helps a lot in creating logic for advanced transformations.
Sounds useful. Is it difficult to create?
Not at all. Just go to Power Query, click on Add Column, select Index Column. Then choose from 0, 1, or even a custom value.
Perfect. That's simple.
Yes, a custom column is used to create a new column using formulas. For example, we can calculate profit by subtracting cost from sales.
Okay. Why do we use it?
It helps in performing complex calculations, combining multiple columns, and creating dynamic values based on business logic.
Sounds interesting. How do you create it?
Go to Power Query Editor, click on Add Column, select Custom Column, and then write your formula, like sales minus cost.
Great. What are its features?
It supports different data types, allows advanced formulas, updates automatically with data changes, and improves data transformation.
Nice explanation.
Yes, in Power Query, we can transform text into uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize each word. It helps in making data clean and consistent.
Okay. Why is it important?
It improves readability, standardizes text formats, and is very useful for names, titles, and categories.
Nice. How do you do it?
Go to Power Query Editor, select the column, click on Transform, then choose Format and select uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize each word.
Sounds simple. Can you give an example?
Yes, John Doe becomes John Doe in uppercase, Sarah Smith becomes Sarah Smith in lowercase, and Mike Adams becomes Mike Adams when capitalized.
Great explanation. Can you explain what choose columns and remove columns mean in Power Query?
Yes, Choose Columns is used to select only the required columns, while Remove Columns is used to delete unwanted columns from the dataset.
Okay. Why do we use them?
They help in cleaning data, improving focus on important fields, reducing file size, and enhancing overall performance.
Sounds useful. How do you do it?
Go to Power Query Editor, select the columns, then click on Choose Columns to keep selected ones, or click on Remove Columns to delete unwanted ones.
Is there any other option?
Yes, we can also use Remove Other Columns to keep only selected columns and remove everything else automatically.
Great explanation.
Yes. Refresh Preview is used to update the current table view, while Refresh All updates all the tables in the query editor.
Okay. Why do we use these options?
They help in keeping data up to date, reflect the latest changes from the data source, and ensure accurate analysis.
Sounds useful. How do you use them?
Go to Power Query Editor, click on the Refresh option, then choose Refresh Preview to update a single table, or Refresh All to update all tables at once.
Is there any benefit of using Refresh All?
Yes. It saves time, ensures consistency across all queries, and helps maintain accurate and reliable reports.
Great explanation.
Yes, Enable Load is used to load the query data into the report, while Include and Report Refresh ensures the query updates during refresh.
Okay. Why do we use these options?
They help in controlling data loading, improving performance, and managing large data sets efficiently.
Sounds useful. How do you use them?
In Power Query Editor, right-click on a query in the Queries pane, then select or unselect Enable Load or Include and Report Refresh based on your need.
What happens if we disable them?
If Enable Load is disabled, the data won't be loaded into the report. And if Include and Report Refresh is disabled, the query won't update during refresh.
Great explanation.
Yes. Replace value is used to replace specific values in a column. For example, we can correct wrong data or update old values with new ones.
Okay. Why do we use it?
It helps in fixing errors, cleaning data, and preparing accurate data for analysis.
Sounds useful. How do you do it?
Go to Power Query Editor, select the column, click on Transform, Then choose Replace Values and enter the value to find and the new value to replace.
Is there any other option?
Yes, we can replace all occurrences of a value or replace only specific values based on our requirement.
Great explanation.
Yes. Reverse rows is used to change the order of rows in a table, while count rows is used to find the total number of rows.
Okay, why do we use them?
Reverse rows helps in rearranging data for analysis, and count rows helps in understanding data size and validation.
Sounds useful. How do you do it?
Go to Power Query Editor, select the table, click on Transform, then choose Reverse Rows to flip the order, or select Count Rows to get the total number of rows.
Is there any benefit of using count rows?
Yes, it helps in quick data validation, checking duplicates, and ensuring data completeness.
Great explanation.
Yes, prefix is used to add text at the beginning of a value, and suffix is used to add text at the end of a value.
Okay, why do we use them?
They help in improving data clarity, making data more uniform, and are useful for tagging categories or adding identifiers.
Sounds useful. How do you do it?
Go to Power Query Editor, select the column, click on Transform, then choose Format, and select Add Prefix or Add Suffix.
What do we do after selecting it?
We just enter the text we want to add, and it will be applied to all the values in that column.
Great explanation.
So that's a wrap on Power Query Basics. We covered important concepts like index column, conditional column, custom column, text transformations, replacing values, refreshing data, and more. These are the building blocks you need to clean and transform your data like a pro. Practice these steps, apply them on real data, and you'll see the difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Deep the Analytics. Let's keep learning and growing together.